wishing you a good day. I am Sameera from Sri Lanka. I am 32 years old. I am looking for mobile crane operator job vacancies in your company. So I thought of putting a video clip as it is mandatory. I have total 7 years of working experience in this field, including 5 years Middle East experience. I can manage 25-ton to 130-ton cranes like Liebherr, Terex, Tadano, Kobelco, Zoomline. I have worked abroad about 1 year ago and came back to Sri Lanka. After that, I worked in Sri Lankan company due to this COVID condition. They got less construction contract, so I have resigned from my job in Sri Lanka and hoping to go to abroad again. So I can't make a working video clip at the moment, but I have working photos and certificates as the proof. I hope you will consider me. Thank you.